everyone. It's great to have you here again on our English Learning channel, where improving your English is fun and easy. I'm Megan.
Hello, Megan, and greetings to all our lovely listeners. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, we're so happy to have you with us today.
It's great to see you, Leo. How's it going today?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Today, I thought it would be fun to talk about past experiences, things we have done in the past and things we have never done.
Oh, I know. Have you ever been to a zoo kind of questions, right?
Exactly, you got it. It's a simple way to talk about things we've experienced. But before we dive into that, I have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, we'd love it if you could take a moment to click that subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like the podcast. Your feedback means a lot to us. Also, feel free to share this episode with your friends if you think they would enjoy learning English with us.
Thank you, everyone.
Now, Leo, have you ever been on a double-decker bus?
A double-decker bus? What is that?
A double-decker bus is a type of bus with 2 floors. It's very famous in London. You can sit on the top floor and look at the city. It's pretty fun.
No, I haven't. I've never been on one.
Really? Not even once?
No, never. I've only seen them in pictures, but I've never had the chance to ride one.
You should. I've been on one when I visited London, and it was a great experience.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was. I sat on the top. I could see the whole street.
That sounds great. I hope I can try it one day.
I think you will. Travel offers us many first experiences. Speaking of that, have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I have. I've been to Spain.
Oh, nice. I've been to Spain too. What did you like there?
I liked the food and the weather. I've never eaten so much seafood before.
That's funny. Spain is great for food. Have you ever been to the beach there?
Yes, I have. I've been to the beach many times.
Same here. I love the beach, but I've never gone surfing.
Me neither. I've never tried surfing. It looks hard.
It does. I've watched people do it, but I've never done it myself.
I think falling into the water would be scary.
Yes, it's a little scary, but also fun, I think. By the way, have you ever ridden a scooter?
You know, I've never tried that either. I think it would be fun, though.
Yeah, I've tried it. I borrowed a friend's scooter once and we rode around a car park. It was really fun. You should give it a go sometime.
That sounds awesome. I've always wanted to try one.
It's a lot of fun. But what about motorbikes? Have you ever ridden one of those?
Oh, no. I've never ridden a motorbike. That seems a bit scary to me.
It's definitely fast and a bit scary, but it's also thrilling. I've ridden one before. It wasn't as bad as I thought.
I've always wanted to try one, but I've never had the chance.
That's okay. Many people haven't. For example, I have never been skiing myself.
Oh, really? I haven't either. I've never seen snow in real life.
Wow, that's interesting. I've seen snow before, but I've never gone skiing.
I think snow looks beautiful, but cold.
Very cold. Have you ever flown on a plane?
Yes, I have. I've flown a few times.
Where have you been?
I've been to Japan, Spain, and France.
Japan. That's amazing. I've never been to Japan.
It was my first time in Asia. I've never seen cities like that before.
I can imagine. Have you ever stayed in a hotel there?
Yes, I have. I've stayed in a small hotel.
I like hotels, but I've never stayed in a capsule hotel.
Me neither. I've only seen them online.
Same. What about food? Have you ever eaten sushi?
Yes, I have. I've eaten sushi many times.
Me too, but I've never made sushi at home.
I haven't either. It looks difficult.
Yes, it requires a lot of attention. Have you ever visited a museum while traveling?
Yes, I have. I visited a museum in France.
Oh, France. I've been there once. Have you ever seen the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, I have. It was very big.
It really is. I remember the first time I saw it. I've never forgotten that moment.
Travel memories stay with you.
They do. Even small experiences matter. For example, I've never ridden a horse.
Oh, I have. I've ridden a horse once.
Really? That's great. Was it scary?
At first, yes, but after a few minutes, it felt calm.
That sounds nice. I'd like to try one day.
You should. Have you ever been to a zoo?
Absolutely. I've visited numerous zoos.
I haven't. I've never been to a zoo.
That surprises me. You'd enjoy it.
I think so too. I've always liked animals.
Me too. It's funny how we all have different experiences. Some things we've done many times, some things we've never done.
Yes, and talking about them feels easy.
Exactly. That's why this type of English is so useful. We don't mention when, we simply talk about life.
Right. We say I have or I have never.
Perfect, Leo. You're doing great. Before we finish, tell me one thing you've never done but want to do.
I've never visited London. I want to go there.
That's a good dream. I think you will go one day.
I hope so. What about you?
I've never gone surfing and I'd really like to try it.
Maybe one day we will both try new things.
I'm sure we will. Life is full of new experiences.
This was a nice conversation.
I agree. We should do this more often. Also, remember to keep practicing the present perfect. It's a great way to talk about your past experiences.
I will. Thanks, Megan.
Always a pleasure, Leo. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us today.
We would love to hear about your past experiences. Please share them in the comments so we can continue the conversation.
Yes, and for continuous learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.
See you next time. Have a great day.